yo. What is up, guys? Jamaicans came here with another reaction. Oh. And today, guys, here with Najeeriii. Najeeriii, Cruff. Right now, I never see something like this in my life where a person attack English, a person sing, and you can't understand what I say, but the song just grab you. I don't know if one of them sing again. I don't know if I'm going to put subtitle on it, but we're going to find another one and here with the GSA because I don't know what the fuck him say more time. So let's go, man. Let's go. Big up Najeeriii. Big up SMG. Yeah, do it. Yeah, do it. Big up. We got the production team too. You know? Big grabber like Bob. Toll road. Yeah. On the toll road. What am I going? Oh, not going now.
Big grabber send me that.
Ah, not course on the pan. Now watch it. Look like I watch it still.
Big grabber send me that. Any CFT when a girl give me tea back. He back and relax. That's no real banger. That's a friggin' deal. That just tell me clothes clean so you gotta feel the feature. He said me buzz.
Tell me clothes clean so the what?
Send me that. Any CFT when a girl give me tea back.
Any CFT when a girl give me tea back. Me get that part there, yeah? Alright.
Big grabber send me that. Any CFT when a girl give me tea back. He back and relax. That's no real banger. That's a friggin' deal. That just tell me clothes clean so you gotta feel the feature. He said me buzzy like a Senny Billy Peas.
Just send me buzzy like a. Send me buzzy like a.
Just tell me clothes clean so you gotta feel the feature. He said me buzzy like a Senny Billy Peas.
Somebody tell me what I'm saying a while ago. Somebody tell me what I'm saying a while ago. I'm waiting. What I'm say? What I'm just say?
He when a girl give me tea back. He bang and relax. That's no real banger. That's a friggin' deal. That just tell me clothes clean so you gotta feel the feature.
Listen.
He said me buzzy like a Senny Billy Peas.
She said me buzzy like a Senny Billy Peas. You know, I'm sing him next song. Wait, Janko pants them tear. Me that. Some sing it, you know, I don't know it, but it sound bad. Some sing it, you know. Janko black pants tear. Me don't know that. Me don't know.
He bang and relax. That's no real banger. That's a friggin' deal. That just tell me clothes clean so you gotta feel the feature. He said me buzzy like a Senny Billy Peas. Getting in the cheese and me take it, get the team that. He said if it come in our belly for me breathe that. He feel it real fast. I did tequila she fiend for. I know the same little Cruff. Now a pussy pay slip can't pay for my shirt.
He must say, yo, I the same little Cruff. Now our pussy pay slip can't pay for him shot. I the same little Cruff. So somebody tell us, I the same little Cruff we never want. Then, no, your pussy bill can't pay.
She fiend for, I know the same little Cruff. Now a pussy pay slip can't pay for my shirt. We make it money all day for the funds. Cause it don't have never mama G. I hate till my guts I read the game can't pass on me. I know the same little Cruff. Now a pussy pay slip can't pay for my shirt. We make it money all day for the funds. Cause it don't have never mama G. I hate till my guts I read the game can't pass on me. Pray for my dog.
I never what?
Cause it don't have never mama G. I hate till my guts I read.
I never mama G. I hate till me go. What him say? What him say? What the bumper clot him just say? When I react to them song, I can't understand what the G say. What him say?
We make it money all day for the funds. Cause it don't have never mama G. I hate till my guts I read the game can't pass. So me pray for my done. I just hit life fire raised in the slum. Never ban see I better wait for my tons. I'ma put in work and claim for my own. I will take what is mine. Stay bang in line. When I paid me to change a kid life. He touch the link and that page is mine. We making money and pay shots hit by. No 9 to 5 that wage will rise. Be about will find and be about will fly. And if life. He touch the link and that page is mine. We making money and pay shots hit by. No 9 to 5 that wage will rise. Be about will find and be about will fly. And if you're not press millions of waste that in time. Now the wallet with that lad it will share a bit kind. The ship man who send it gal. I'm present to be got it youth sell it gas. Bad bitch I listen up it tune on it job. When it crack chip and nearly fuck a fool jelly crack. Me and fit boss you can't prove send it wrong. Them full up a chat and it's a goon press it hot. He youth sell.
Yo, me wouldn't like to see him and somebody in a lyrical confrontation. Me wouldn't like to see it because the next artist I gonna have problem. The next artist I gonna have problem I dissect what the G say. The next artist I gonna have issues I try counteract what the G just said to you. The G disrespect you. disrespectfully, and you can't understand why I say for disrespect him back disrespectfully. Wanna get that? Wanna get that? I never.
Hot bitch, I listen up, it tune on it jack. When it black chip and it fuck a fool jelly crack. Me and fit boss, you can't prove any wrong. Them full up a chat and it's a goon, pressy hot. He youth sell his stocks and he cruise, sell it ram. Pressy bends, then he move like it caps. And at the same little Cruff, now a pussy play a slip, can't pay for my shot. We make it money all day for big guns. Cause it down and never mama G, I hate him. Cause I read the game, can't pass, and me pray for my tongue. I just hit life by your raised in the slum. Never ban, see I better wait for my tongue. So I put in the work and claim for my own. Big grabber send it me that. He needs to fit tea when you yell, give me tea back. He bang a real act, that a not real banger. That a freaking idiot. He say me clothes clean, so he gotta feel the feature. He say me Ozzy like I said he be the pizza. Getting in the cheese, and me take it, get the team that. In her belly for me breather. If you need real fast, I did tequila, she fiend for. And I the same little Cruff, now a pussy pay slip, yeah, pay for
me shot. No.
We make it money all day, for the funds, cause it down and never mama G, I hate him, cause I read the game, can't pass, and me pray for my tongue. I just hit life by your raised in the slum, never ban, see I better wait for my tongue. So I put in the work and claim for my own. Then it me that, and it's if it's tea when a girl give me.
Ad-lib boss. Pull a ad-lib.
Hey, dear side. God flow. I see. I could have done a bomb clock time, no man. I don't see him like a crop. Be a sleep, can't pay for my shop. Make it money all day for the fun. Never mama G, I hate them, I can't park, I'm a pray for my son. Just life ain't raised to the sun. Never fancy, I better wait for my thought. Put in the work and claim for my one. Claim for my one. Claim for my one. Put in the work and claim for my claim for my one. Big grabber like Buff. Hey, yes, I.
Big grabber like Buff. Yo, this is gonna be a next hit song, even though a majority of the people can understand what I say. He did an interview where him say him did go put subtitles on all I'm saying them, but people like me who can understand what I say, but he never. Najeeriii, there's definitely a place in the music business for you. You forward in and you cut your own lane. You're not artists that say you are them bring you to the forefront, or them you and your team just do it, you see me? Yeah. Big up social media where I do it not them there, you see me? Bad artists, he might do it. Hot artists, he might do it. I don't know if you are going to change up your style at one later date where people can understand more. But it's funny because even though we can understand, the kids them understand him. The youth them who go school understand him. Them people that understand him. Me can understand. But guarantee this is an ex-banger. Big up Najeeriii, big up the team around him too. This is an ex-banger. Remember say the youth young enough, so we have to give him time for it, you know? But yeah, he might do it, dog. He might do it. Him bad. Me not take nothing from him bad, you see me? So big up and say, bro, this tough. And me know enough people I go fuck with it, brother, cause it bad. You see me? Yeah. Big up the ad-libs them. Ad-libs not the ad-libs boss, man. Big up yourself, my G. Anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave on it. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will definitely see you in the next one.